Hello guys, we're here today. Oh my goodness. Alright, hang on guys, she's gotta turn around. You can hardly see out here, the sun is blinding me, but who cares? I want to record this and...
Stop recording and turn around. Our old-time mower. Let's see how it goes.
Apparently they used to use this back in the old days, so
yep.
Here goes nothing.
Oh my goodness, it's locked up on me already. Let's see.
She's gotta work it.
Yeah, gotta work it. It got stuck. It got stuck on the
You got this, Nana.
Huh?
You got this.
Oh, do I? Well, we
yeah.
probably need to pause it for a minute.
Alright. Here we go, guys. She's gonna use an old-timey lawnmower.
Yeah, if I don't get stuck in the mud first.
Here we go.
Wow. Oh,
it works.
A lot of work, but it works. Good God, it's been 40 years. Again.
I'm getting it.
Yeah, go over and get me while I'm pushing. Exercise is good for the arms.
It's working.
Wow, this is cool. This could take a minute, but hey. Better than nothing. What's this? Is it onion? I think it's onion. Let's go now. Cool. Alright. Well, Jonathan, you know you can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. If I don't get stuck.